First time we met. We were in Druid Hill and I saw you in that old broken gazebo. You were so good looking. I thought you were all mature. How old did you think I was? I felt so young with you. All my girlfriends were so jealous. We were so good together. For a while. Even when I left, I still loved you, T. I thought about you every day. I still do. Don't you wish we could go back to that gazebo? It was all so perfect. But sometimes, I think you only brought me suffering.
Killjoy put this sharp thing in my head, and I'm so happy now. So
inside my head and took the bad out.
My performance on you, as it were, will be something I shall thoroughly enjoy. And I trust, so shall you. I am not certain we have been formally introduced. Talk, isn't it? My name is Killjoy, Dr. Killjoy, and I will be your alienist this fine evening. Welcome to the Carnate Institution for the tragically troubled, the impossibly insane, and the diabolically disturbed. Are you seeking asylum? Are you looking for the answers? Well, rest assured, you have come to the right place. It is so difficult to tame the brain. Sometimes it needs a little jolt to behave.
Inmate, hold it right there! It is only joke! How you get here? You're not supposed to leave ever. Don't they tell you anything? Come in, please. You come in. Yes, come in. I not lock you up. Name is Sergey. Wait. Are you really there? Or maybe I am dreaming again. No? No, you real, huh?
He's a filthy immigrant.
So friendly.
He's a disgusting addict.
But Kennedy, Scott, they all went out. Try to find out what is happening. Me? I say why. I hear the sounds. Boom, crash, ah! I've seen some things through the doorway there. Things I don't want to see again. Understand? I stay right here. We're safe. I have pipe to keep me company.
He can help you find what you need.
Blow his head off.
My only sadness is my stereo. Power go off. It don't work now, you see? If I could just enjoy a few more spins of my music, I'd be a happy man. Strange story about this place. Was a crazy house. Place where they send people who not know what is what. Me, I self-medicate, huh? Been abandoned for many years. Now we guards come here to be free. It's the only place I feel safe on this island.
And so, my favorite subject arrives. It is in this room that all the secrets will be revealed. I will employ an experimental device that helps me chart the undiscovered country. But you can't come to the show yet. First, you must prove to me that you truly want to be cured, and that you truly are worthy of my time. See you soon, I hope. Wonder why you're so furious, Talk? What happens then when your world goes back? one problem still remains. It is so very difficult to find good talent. Certainly, I am able to bring life to this piece of celluloid, but who to appear opposite me? Who to play Iago to my Othello? Eliza Doolittle to my Henry Higgins? My choice? Artificial actors. Synthetic prosthetic people who are much less resistant to surgery. They will not argue, they will not complain, they will not meddle, they will simply execute. For I have the vision. I am the one who the camera adores. You'll have to forgive the mess. It's so hard to keep this place tidy when there is so much work to be done. And it is impossible to find decent work out here. But truly, this clutter doesn't even compare to the disorder inside your head, does it? That's where I do hope to do some spring cleaning. Monsters walk amongst us, Talk. Don't you grasp the implications? It's a brave new world. Of course, such creatures are nothing new to you, are they?
Большое спасибо! Thank you very much! You turned generator back on! You make me a happy, happy man! Oh my, listen to this! Now I stay here. I relax with my pipe. Maybe something stronger later. I got my music. It's a good life, however long it lasts.
That's what I loved about you.
I think you want something here. Is it to share pipe with me? No, I don't think so. I think maybe it is something else, a strange thing that goes on in this house. Maybe cause you trouble? I ask you, why bother? Be mellow, go with flow. Come back again, friend. The door, it is always open to you.
It is the work that I do that makes me work. Nowhere do the stars shine as brightly as they do on Carnate Island, on this very stage where it is my pleasure to introduce to you the world of your own mind. Given a dark enough environment, this projector, this wonder of modern science, allows me to appear here before you today. No more shall my talent be confined to the time in which I display them, but instead, I am again and again to live through the ages. Is yours? Severe dementia, is it? Or perhaps chronic melancholia? Or is it an uncontrollable urge to regress back to a form unseen in modern society? One that will allow you to set matters right in them. This poor soul could not handle what he saw in the ink. Tell me what you see, Torque.
Daddy? Is that you, Daddy? I miss you a lot. When are we gonna see you again, Daddy? Daddy! Dad!
How does it go? Oh yes. Canst thou minister to a mind diseased? Pluck from the memory of rooted sorrow. Raise out the wretched troubles of the brain, and with some sweet oblivious antidote, cleanse the stuffed bosom of that perilous stuff which weighs upon the heart. My. Sometimes it is the body that threatens the safety of the mind. Sometimes it must be removed.
Right choice.
Alas, the golden age of radio has passed us by. Who would care to broadcast only on the audio spectrum of human perception when it is the visuals that can truly enrapture an audience? It was a peculiar form with its attempt to create a complete... You can hear the voices still. Do you hear voices? last you have made it to the climax of this fine performance. Let me introduce our newest player. This fascinating specimen is a creature of purest strength and rage, whose presence here must prove quite a conundrum to you. His resemblance to these other soulless beasts cannot be denied, but he is altogether harder to truly understand. But with the capabilities of my experimental device, I can bring about a rebirth of the spirit, a reawakening of the soul, and thus we can shed light on this most unique situation. Why not come inside, and I shall show you? Not to fear, Talk. I shut the door not to trap you, but rather to keep the rest of the world out. You see, we can't have intrusions. This session is about you, and you alone, or shall I say, you and your various manifestations. And with my experimental device, I can facilitate exploration and reveal the connections we must study here. Wait! No! What are you doing? You think I can treat you if you destroy the construct that gives me life? Stop that! Are you mad? Well, if you are, we all know that. Don't you see you're killing me? Your last best hope, and all you can do is destroy it. Who do you think you are, you Neanderthal barbarian? You cannot defeat me. I am one of the greats, one of the brightest stars in the sky. I'm not finished yet. You're more insane than I thought if you think so simple a trick will get you anywhere. My immortality! No! If that's the way you feel about your treatment, I cannot avoid the subject anymore. The time has come for a confrontation, a meeting of the minds, or perhaps I should say a meeting of the mind and the mindless. Go ahead, see if you can't reach out to your deepest fear.